What's up, gadgeteers? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have another Shift Cam product, and this is their Workflow Sling L. I want to say is large. So without further ado, let's take a look at this nice premium bag from Shift Cam. This is their Workflow Sling, and if you're a shooter on the go and carry a bunch of camera equipment or shoot with your iPhone, this is the bag for you. This is absolutely a nice built bag. I love the materials they use, but a little bit of info on the workflow. Is designed for mobile, fast lens switching, fast access to your phone. You have magnetic mount for your phone, so you can mount it on the bag in certain spots, and you can film or use it as a guide, a camera, whatever. Fits an ultra functional sling for mobile photography, durable, water repellent, trolley friendly, and a gear protection is what it says. What's in the bag? What fits in the bag? So your phone, mobile lenses, mirrorless camera, 11-inch tablet, a drone, and a tripod. Which this thing is like built like no other. Is absolutely fantastic. A couple of dimensions there. If you want to go ahead and pause it and read them for yourself, you most definitely can. But let's take a look at this Shift Cam right here. So you do got Shift Cam branding right smack down on the middle, and then you have a spot right here where it says magnetic phone mount, which I do have that somewhere here. Where is that? Where is that? Did I lose it already? And it is right here. This thing comes together. I think you can buy this as a separate accessory. But let's go ahead, while we're talking about that, let's go ahead and unbox this real quick and see what we have. Boom, boom, boom. Nothing else is in the baggie. You have a carabiner right here with a elastic band strapped to it, which is like pretty good because you can strap this to something and hook up your phone or lanyard or something to protect it, or your keys or something like that. But you do have this Shift Cam tag. I don't know what this is for, but you have another plate here if you want to go ahead and use this with anything else but the iPhone here. Is going to magnetically attach to it, and you have the magnetic phone mount right here. Let's go ahead and peel that. You don't have to peel that out, but you do have several slots that you have. Oh, so basically, I think you can hook this. It's like a security feature, if I'm not mistaken, because there is slots you can kind of hook this bad boy onto here. You see a little ring there. You can kind of hook this carabiner thing right here, and you can either have keys or hook something on here. I don't know if the camera can hook up to here, or your phone for keeping it from falling, but you do have slots here to put this bad boy on here like so, and it's gonna hook on very nice and secure, as you can see. And you can have your phone just like that, bam, on the outside of your bag. But not only that, you can go ahead and remove this like so, and you can actually hook it up to the strap, which the strap is nice and padded, very nice. You can actually hook this bad boy up on here, and while this is strapped to your body, you have your phone strapped to yourself as well. Bam. Does not get better than this. This thing is super premium. You do have a hook here. I think you can stow these straps away, if I'm not mistaken. Nope, you cannot, but you can remove the straps, because I do see a hook there. Oh, that's a stabilizer hook. Easy adjustable strap system here, which I know these are they easily adjust as so, and then you could just lock it in place. Bam, and it locks in place. Boom. You got room down here to store, strap a tripod or anything like here, a water bottle or anything down here. You got plenty of room right there. And inside, you do have this thing kind of opens up. You can pull this pretty much inside. You can store stuff on here, but this is your lens pocket, basically. Easily accessible. This thing just... Is it easy? Yep, it is. These things just hook away if you're using them and on the go. Basically, they tuck in like that. It's like a pull tab. You kind of just pull on these and it'll pop the lenses up, which is pretty cool, actually. And then you can have them nice and secure if you want it like that and put it on there secure. But you can put your lenses in there whenever you need it. You pull up like that and the lens pops up. You grab it and you're good to go. Run and shoot. You do have other area here to access, and you also have another pocket right here. You can store away some... What do you got here? Look, you have a lanyard there with a microfiber cloth strap to it so you don't lose it. So this thing's fantastic. You pull, this thing just keeps getting better and better. You can pull the lens, wipe it down real quick, and throw that back in there like that. And so you can store other stuff in there. Dude, I can't get enough of this bag. And then you have your easy, fast... Oh my God. Let me remove this. This thing is crazy good. Remove these. Plenty of room right there for a drone. Plenty of room for a mirrorless camera or anything like that. You got a dedicated pocket here for your smartphone. It's nice and padded. It goes in there like that. Look at that. Very instructional, very organized. I love the way they say it. Stay on the flow. You can put a iPad here, 11-inch iPad is what it says it carries. You got other storage pockets there, your phone, and if you stole your phone in here like this, let's grab the shift cam here. Have the shift cam in the light. Let's say I have it stowed in here like this, which you can, and I need easy access. This easy access portion right here, look at that. Bam, pop it out, snap a picture, capture what I need to do it, and then it's bam, put this bad boy in place. This thing is super versatile. Shift cam workflow Sling. It absolutely does its thing. Look at that, bam. Very nice. Even if you don't want to use it for an iPhone or your mobile, you can even put the light to this. If you're at night, can you? Oh, it doesn't quite line up. Oh man, that would have been, they should have actually, that's a miss right there. One thing is, if you could put the light here on front and use it as a flashlight, that would have been great. But it doesn't quite line up with the magnet. It's a little different, but that would have been awesome if you can. Like I was saying, if you don't even want to use this as a mobile carrying station for like all your mobile devices, you can use this. Like they said, mirrorless camera, this is going to work fantastic. Let me give you a quick look on how this bad boy looks on myself, and then we'll end the video with that.
Are you ready?
So there you have it, guys. This is the shift cam bag. It does not get better than this. This thing is absolutely amazing. If you have any questions regarding this bag, please leave them down on the comment section below. Let me know what you think you can store in this bad boy. You can put a drone, cameras, cell phones, all kinds. This is the excellent, the perfect work sling for you, on the go, for you creators out there that are constantly on the move. This bag right here is the one for you. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace!